Okay, tubers, I got the battery back in. So I think it's time now to try to give her a cold start. And it might be considered an old cold start since I haven't started in a while. Oh man. Yeah, I'm sure hoping she'll bust over and run good. Oh man. Yeah, there goes my pump pumped up. Wait for these glow plugs to go off. Oh yeah. She fired up. Oh yeah, look at the chooch on that one. Whew. Yeah, a couple cylinders there, a little cold still. She's back in business. Now we'll sit here and do a test, see how long she runs, and I'll make sure and note that in the comments how long she was running, if she died or not. Hopefully not. But oh yeah, it's good to hear that girl start again. Which I gotta go down tomorrow, which is Monday, and go get this thing inspected. The inspection sticker's out on it. And then on top of that, I've also got to go get stuff change oil. She's a little over on the oil change. Put my last plate back on here in a minute. But yeah, I think she's about 3,000 miles overdue on oil change. Not good, but I'll get that done. I don't think this will start on one battery. She's a little harder to crank than that one. Or I tried to do a cold start on this one too, but I said I'll run to town. I got the old battery out of this truck. I'll run to town, pick up a new battery, drop it to this one so I can get it going. Then sometime here in the next week or so, see about getting a new, getting it registered and transferred in my name and all that good jazz. So get some plates on it. Because in the state of Texas, you're only allowed to get 2 temporary tags per vehicle now. Where before it used to be unlimited, now they cut down to where it's just 2 per vehicle is all you're allowed. So, I guess I can get one more for that and wait to register it, but I don't know if I'm going to sell that truck or not. To be honest with you, I'm really not sure, but I'll have to see how that goes. See, one thing I don't like already. I don't like my loom sticking like that. There we go. Yeah, that's out of mind, outside out of mind, as I said. But anyway, I'm going to end this video, and I'm going to go start getting it uploaded, and I will let y'all know if she dies on me or not. So anyway, till the next video, y'all guys keep it easy, and subscribe, rate my videos, comment, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, or whatever, and look forward to the next one coming. Thank you.